What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're going to take a quick break from the fitness content and just do a little random video that I thought about like 5 minutes ago. So if you keep up with me, you know that I switched over to pre-dental instead of pre-med this summer. I am shadowing dentists just to use my time wisely. So I was shadowing this dentist today and there was a little downtime between patients and they were telling me about this toothbrush. And in my head I was like, that's crazy. Why would anyone spend that much money on a toothbrush? Who needs Bluetooth in a toothbrush? And I walked out with the toothbrush. So I am going to be opening it for you guys and showing it to you. This is the Oral-B Genius X toothbrush. It costs $180 on Amazon and they were going to sell it to me at the dentist office for $120. I've been wanting a nicer toothbrush my entire life. I've just been using like the $1 toothbrush from Walmart. And I decided to get myself a Christmas present, treat myself for getting good grades. So I decided to buy it. So this Oral-B Genius X toothbrush, rechargeable, and it comes with a charger, 3 brush heads, and a travel case. So let's just get the toothbrush out. The little hole at the bottom is how you charge it. The round head is dental professional inspired. There's a 2-minute timer on it. It helps you control how much pressure you put on your gums. There's smart coaching. Smart coaching is you connect the toothbrush to an app, which sounds really futuristic, and it like tells you how much time to spend on each tooth. It says there's 2 weeks of battery life, which is very nice. So the charger is just this little base. I think it's magnetic. Maybe not. I think it came charged. Okay, I think it came charged, so we can just go ahead and review it. I'm going to read through this little Bluetooth thing, figure out how to hook it up to my phone, and figure out what app I need to download. And I will get back to you guys and show you how it all works. So get the app ready. I'm scared. Okay, that felt really weird at first. It took me a second to get used to. It's really eye-opening, and I know that this is kind of gross, but I feel like I've only been brushing my teeth for like 1 minute every day, and I don't think I focused enough on my back teeth at all. Better to learn now than never. It took me like 2 minutes and 42 seconds to get every single part of my mouth white, so all the teeth started off blue and then they turn white when you've done them enough. So it says I did 99% coverage. There was 1 second where I did too much pressure. My brushing score is 94%. No gum bleeding. It says this area I need to be more gentle. So if you just usually watch me or you just clicked on this video because you're thinking about buying that toothbrush, I hope it was helpful. I know it's expensive. I recommend seeing if you can get it from your dentist a lot cheaper like I did. Honestly, I know I've only used it once, but I think the fact that it shows you where you've brushed enough, it tells you if you're doing too much pressure, and that it makes sure you brush for 2 minutes, I think that's really helpful. It could change some people's teeth for the better. Anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.